The 4th edition of the Park Tool Big Blue Book of Bicycle Repair is your do-it-all guide to bicycle maintenance and repair. And now you can put the pages down but still keep your eyes on your work with the BBB-4A, the audiobook version of the Big Blue Book of Bicycle Repair. With the BBB-4A, you get the same detailed fixes and guided overhauls as the paper version, read to you directly by author Kelvin Jones.
The right side bearings for the power torque is a press fit to the spindle. The left side bearing is a slip fit to the spindle, but this bearing is pressed tightly to the adapter or cup.
The BBB-4A is packed with easy-to-follow, step-by-step procedures.
Shift the chain to the outer chain ring in the front and the outermost rear sprocket. View the gap between the outer cage plate and chain. If outer cage plate clears the chain, index setting is adequate.
On-ride repair guidance.
If the crank has completely fallen off, the fixing bolt may be missing. In this case, walk the bike back.
And detailed reference tables.
5mm ID. Park Tool BBT 22 or BBT 32. 16 notch. 44mm outside diameter. Park Tool BBT 9 or BBT 69.4.
The Park Tool Big Blue Book of Bicycle Repair, Audio Edition. Let your ears fix what your eyes can't hear.
Equals 1.1 Newton meter. 20 inch-pounds equal 1.7 foot-pounds equals 2.3 Newton meter. 30 inch-pounds equal 2.5 foot-pounds equals 3.4 Newton meters. 40 inch-pounds equal 3.0 foot-pounds equals 4.5 Newton meter. 50 inch-pounds equal 4.2 foot-pounds equals 5.6 Newton meter. 60 inch-pounds is 5 foot-pounds equals 6.8 Newton meters. 70 inch-pounds, 5.8 foot-pounds, the same as 7.9 Newton meter. 80 inch-pounds equal to 6.7 foot-pounds equals 9.0 Newton meter. 90 inch-pounds equals 7.5 foot-pounds equals 10.2 Newton meters. 100 inch-pounds equal 8.3 foot-pounds equals 11.3 Newton meters. 110 inch-pounds equal 9.2 foot-pounds equals 12.4 Newton meters.